Okay, so the Escort is finally done. We've been through this build here. This is one of the builds. She's done, she looks good. We're getting ready to load her up. Just gonna squeeze at the bottom here quickly. So this is now in the light. The shocks, they supply the new ones are wrong, so we put the old ones on while we're waiting for the new ones. The guy is gonna actually go from here. I'll go from here for a tune. So I actually want the carburetor tune, we want the timing tune, and then it's gonna go all the way to Sanjeev at Powerflow Randburg for one of his special exhausts. I'll tag him on the post as well. But yeah, so this is how the interior looks. I showed you guys yesterday. You can have a look here. So this car came out very nice. This car came out very nice. This car came out nice. You can have a look at the small features here. This is well done. This is how the engine bay came out. So the sun is, but this is the gold. This is the master cylinder. You can see the brake pipes are all done. This is all the clips and it's done on the brake master cylinder. Engine wise, she looks good. These small touch-ups here, this here came out very nice. Yeah, I was busy, I didn't record this here, but this here came out well. Look how she shines into how the sun grabs it, so you can actually see the silver here, you can see the gold. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Car's actually done. Car's finally done. And yeah, I'll keep you updated on the next one. Cheers guys.